How to add different background in CapCut easily with just few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your CapCut application. Tap on New Project. Select your preferred video. Then tap on Add. Now you can see the video on the timeline. From the down menu, swipe right and select Background. You can choose color, image, blur or brand backgrounds. Let's select image. You can choose various images provided by CapCut or you can choose from your library. Just tap on plus button. Then select your background image. Then tap on check mark. Now you can see on your video your background image has been changed. To ensure the new background blends well, you can change opacity or blur the background for better blending. Optionally, you can add effects to the new background for more seamless look. And that's it, your video now has a brand new background. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.